In this video we will learn how to create our own function or method, and we will learn how to use public access modifier. Now all this while we have been writing all our code within this main method, but it is also possible that we can write our own method and call it. For example, let me create function public. It's an access modifier and it can be called from anywhere, and now we can specify the return type of our method after the access modifier. But if you don't want your function to return anything, then you can specify the return type as void. Void means your method doesn't return anything. And the name of your function, for example enumber, and we don't want to pass any parameter to this function, so open and closing parenthesis, and now open and closing braces. This is the body of our function, and anything we want to print, for example console.writeLine. New program. Okay, and now how do I call this function? We have to create an instance of this function enumber, but because these two functions, main or enumber, present in the same class name as program, so first we have to create an instance of this class. So name of the class program, an instance like P, for example new program, P dot enumber. We have to invoke this method in main method, and now we're going to run this new program. Okay friends, that's all for now. Thank you.